sight and sound. See the hills of sand, distance of 8, another journey to the promised land. Noise on the mountain, the uproar sink with no sin. Valleys lay inside, churches and taunts, but I will not hide. I meet death with a smile. Satan pulls teeth, I'm a Benjamin Gentile. Different is life better. Have I steered you the right way to the ladder? Climb, child, climb. Open the window, climb. Across the skyline, light from the sun blinds me. Free from darkness, yet I see Satan has the whole shackles slip and fold. So I wait in the playground, a child reborn and found. I think of my passage, secrets in my mind could do damage. So my name as through the book, a grin slips. Cause now I look, things have changed. Satan's in the hole playing the game. Find peace in a shadow. Rainy days come, but I see rainbows. Sturdy and firm we stand. At the edge of Babel, we hold hands. God, it feels so good. We talk by fire and burn wood. Found, I don't rhyme for fun. Good Lord Captain, run, devil, run.
Baptized, I come from the sea. Waves carry me in toward the sand. Tides wash me clean, I walk within his hand. I am you and you are me, and what I see is purity. Birds circle the sky above, reminding me of my past.